Hello everyone, I'm Mike with Lenovo and I'm here today with the ThinkPad P71. Today we're going to be replacing the memory modules. The process will take about 15 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The only tool required is a Phillips screwdriver. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we're protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For more information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. Pull the latch to the unlocked position, pivot the battery up, and lift it from the system. Now we loosen the screws in the bottom cover. And then lift the cover from the system. And here we want to pull up the Mylar, press outward on the clips to release the memory module, and then pull it from the slot. And we're going to do the same thing with the other memory module. Press outward on the clips, pull it from the slot. Now we want to remove the 3 keyboard screws from the bottom of the system. Slide the keyboard up and use a pry tool to lift the front edge. Then slide the keyboard out from the bezel and flip it over. Now we need to disconnect the keyboard cable and the track point cable from the system board and remove it from the system. You want to loosen the screw on the shield. Lift the front edge and remove it from the system. Lift the first piece of Mylar, press outward on the clips to release the module and pull the memory out of the slot. Lift the second piece of Mylar, pull outward on the clips and pull the memory module from the slot. You want to lift both pieces of Mylar and install the first memory module into the lower slot. Press down until it locks into place and then replace the first piece of Mylar and install the second module into the top slot. Press down until it locks and replace the second piece of Mylar. And now we insert the tabs on the shield into the slots on the chassis and lower the front down. Tighten the screw. Place the keyboard upside down on the bezel. Now we need to connect the track point cable and the keyboard cable to the system board. You want to flip the keyboard over and slide the top edge under the bezel, then lower it and slide it down. And now we replace the keyboard screws into the bottom of the system. We're going to pull back the Mylar and slide the memory module into the slot. Press it down until it locks into the clips. And then we're going to do the same with the other memory module. Press it down until it locks. We're going to place the tabs from the bottom cover into the slots on the chassis and then lower the cover into place and tighten the screws. Place the battery into the compartment. Press down until it locks into place.